we're going to demonstrate a feature called Call Flip in Ooma Office using IP phones or desk phones and a smartphone with the Ooma Office mobile app installed. What Call Flip allows you to do is literally flip or move a call from one device to another seamlessly without interrupting the call. So you no longer have to be embarrassed by saying, hey, I've got to leave to pick up the kids. Can I call you back in a minute? Call in on a conference call or a direct call. You can just go ahead and flip the call from one device to another using *44 on either the smartphone with the Ooma app installed or your desk phone. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it works. So I've got a call. I've answered a call here on my desk phone. Hey, Mike, it's great to hear your voice. Really excited to talk to you. So let's get on it. Mike doesn't need to know that I actually have to leave to pick up my kids in a minute or two. So, a minute or two into the call, I'm going to go ahead and hit *44, which will ring all of the other devices that I have associated with my extension. I can answer the call over here, take the call here, and I'm on my way. There was no interruption to the call, no interruption to Mike. That's Call Flip using Ooma Office.